Good day, sir. My name is Angelica Nicolas from BS Cream 3C, and now I am going to illustrate the parts and function of the Lafayette polygraph machine. But first, I will be discussing the four components of the polygraph. The first is the pneumograph. So, pneumograph. The pneumograph measures and records the subject's breathing pattern during the examination. It uses rubber tube placed around the chest and abdomen. As the subject inhales and exhales, the tube expands and contracts, converting this movement into signals that are recorded as wave-like tracing on the chart paper. Irregular breathing patterns may indicate emotional stress. The second is the cardiosphygmograph. The cardiosphygmograph measures cardiovascular activity, specifically blood pressures and pulse rate. It consists of an inflatable cuff placed around the upper arm. When inflated, it detects arterial pulse waves and blood pressure changes, which are transmitted to the recording system. The third is the galvanograph. The galvanograph measures the galvanic skin response, or GSR, or electrodermal activity. Small electrodes are attached to the finger or palm to detect changes in skin conductivity caused by increased sweat gland activity. Emotional tension or stress can cause sudden changes in the tracing. The fourth is the chemograph. The chemograph is the mechanical recording system that moves the chart paper at a constant speed. It ensures that physiological responses are recorded in relation to time, because polygraph interpretation depends on timing between questions and reactions. The chemograph plays a crucial role in producing accurate and continuous recording. So those are the four components of Lafayette polygraph machine. Let's proceed now to the other parts and function of Lafayette polygraph machine. So first, the Pneumo 1 and the Pneumo 2. Pneumo 1 records chest respiration, while Pneumo 2 records abdominal respiration. Having two respiration channels allows the examiner to compare upper and lower breathing patterns and detect any unusual or controlled breathing attempts. The Galbupin or GCR pin. The Galbupin is the pen assigned to record the galvanic skin response. It converts electrical signals from the galvanograph into visible ink tracing on the chart paper. The cardiomodule. The cardiomodule processes and amplifies cardiovascular signals before they are recorded. It ensures that the signals are clear and properly adjusted for accurate interpretation. The cardiopin. The cardiopin records cardiovascular signals such as pulse and blood pressures fluctuations onto the chart paper, showing rhythmic pulse wave patterns. Paper tear bar. The paper tear bar is used to neatly tear off the chart paper after the examination so that the recorded data can be preserved. The pen and inking system. The pen and inking system contain multiple ink pens that draw the physiological responses on the moving chart paper. Each pen corresponds to a specific channel: respiration, cardiovascular activity, and GSR. Paper flattening roller. The paper flattening roller keeps the chart paper smooth and stable while it passes through the machine, preventing distortions in the tracing. The chart drive switch. The chart drive switch controls the movement of the chart paper. It allows the examiner to start, stop, or adjust the speed of recording. So those are the parts and function of Lafayette polygraph machine. Thank you.